Hey guys, if you want to learn this simple shimmery black glam look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this L'Oreal concealer and placing it on my lids all over. I'm blending it and creating that seamless finish. This will hide all the imperfections under your skin and it will create that smooth finish. Then I'm going for the setting powder and setting it, as this will make the blending much easier. Today I'm going for Opaline Color Burst palette. I am grabbing this gray shade and applying it on my outer crease and blending it as much as possible for that seamless look. And I'm going from the inner corner to the outer corner and also going back and forth. Then I'm going on with this black shade and applying it on my outer crease. I'm focused on the specific part and using a small blending brush. Since black is really hard, I will suggest you guys to use a little amount of the product and build it slowly. I'm blending and blending so that the edges are as smooth and seamless. I'm going on with this glitter and applying it with my fingers. You can see how much pigment this glitter has given, and I'm really surprised about this. Then again, I'm grabbing the black shade and deepening my outer crease. Then I'm going on with this big blending brush and smoothing out all the edges. Again, I grab this black shade and I place it on my lower lashes. You can see that I'm using a small angular brush and placing it and also blending it with the bigger brush for the smooth finish. Then for eyeliner, I'm going on with this AOA Studio eyeliner. For this look, I'm going for a winged liner. If you are a beginner, I will suggest that you can use a pen eyeliner as it will make it much easier. Then I'm going for this Smashbox Superfan mascara and placing it on my upper lashes as well as lower lashes and coating it properly for that fuller look. This is the final eye makeup look. It's really easy and simple and you guys can try it out. If you guys enjoyed my video, please don't forget to subscribe and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.